What if the oldest civilization on Earth understood the heavens better than we do today? The Sumerians didn't just watch the sky. They measured it with impossible precision. Long before Greece, Egypt, or Babylon, the ancient Sumerians charted the movements of the sun, moon, and planets. Clay tablets like the Mul-Apine record star lists, heliacal risings, planetary periods, knowledge more than 3,500 years old. They identified Venus's complex 8-year cycle, tracked the retrograde motion of Mars and Jupiter, and divided the sky into constellations recognizable even today. For a civilization from 3000 BCE, this shouldn't have been possible. The Sumerians didn't count like us. Their entire mathematical system ran on the number 60, a base 60 structure still used today in seconds, minutes, and 360 circles. But here's the strange part. 60 is divisible by more prime numbers than any other small integer. It fits planetary cycles with uncanny accuracy. The Sumerians used it for astronomy, geometry, calendars, and divine proportions. No one knows why they chose it. Later writers, including Zechariah Sitchin, suggested they inherited this system from beings with a deep understanding of orbital mechanics. Sumer's calendar was lunisolar, synchronized to both the moon and the sun. They predicted eclipses, solstices, equinoxes, and the length of the solar year within minutes of accuracy. They also divided the sky into 3 great celestial pathways. The path of Enlil, Enki, Anu, not poetic metaphors, but early astronomical zones used for tracking star movement. Historically, the Sumerians identified Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, the Sun, the Moon, the 7 bright bodies, visible without telescopes. But in some later interpretations of Sumerian tablets, like those translated by Sitchin, descriptions appear of a complete 12-body system, including planets beyond Saturn, and exact orbital paths expressed in base 60 numbers. Mainstream scholars reject this view. Yet the question remains, how did a Bronze Age culture achieve such astronomical accuracy? The Sumerians believed each god ruled aspects of the sky. Enki governed the deep and hidden stars, Enlil the winds and the upper heavens, Anu the celestial throne itself. Some myths speak of long cycles of return, epochs where the gods walked among men, then vanished for ages. Modern authors like Sitchin linked these cycles too. Long-period celestial bodies, orbital mechanics, catastrophic sky events recorded in myth, not proven, but undeniably compelling. Imagine a civilization watching the sky every night for thousands of years, measuring every rising star, every lunar shadow, every wandering planet. Imagine they weren't guessing, but preserving knowledge older than themselves, whether given by gods, learned from a forgotten civilization, or discovered through perfect patience. Their numbers shaped the world we still live in.